In today's video, I'll show you how to edit customer invoices in QuickBooks Online. A simple but essential skill for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. Whether you need to fix a typo, update a customer's details, or adjust an amount, QuickBooks makes it easy to handle invoice edits in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Click on Sign In at the top, then choose in QuickBooks Online. From the list of products, enter your login credentials carefully, your email or user ID and password, and sign in to access your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This section acts as your hub for all sales-related activities, including invoices, customers, and payments. Next, select Once Invoices. From the sub-menu here, you'll see a list of all the invoices you've sent to your customers, neatly organized by date, amount, and payment status. Now, find the specific invoice you'd like to edit. On the far right side of the invoice entry, you'll see a small drop-down arrow or Edit option. Click it to open the invoice. This will take you directly into the invoice editing screen, where you can modify any detail you need. You can update the want invoice date, mod terms, due date, or even make changes to specific one-line items, such as product descriptions, quantities, or prices. You can also adjust the customer's information if something has changed. As you make your edits, keep in mind that changing a sent invoice can affect both your records and your customers. If you've already shared the invoice, it's best to notify the customer about the changes to avoid confusion. QuickBooks automatically logs all edits in the audit history, so you'll always have a clear record of what was changed and when. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close, or Save and Send. If you'd like to resend the updated version to your customer, QuickBooks will immediately apply the changes and your updated invoice will appear in the invoice list. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully edited a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. This feature is designed to be quick, intuitive, and reliable, ensuring your financial data stays accurate at all times. Keeping your invoices organized not only helps you maintain clear communication with customers, but also makes bookkeeping and reporting much smoother. Thanks for watching. If you have found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy QuickBooks tips to help you manage your business efficiently.